Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best microwave mounting kit is probably one of the most underrated kitchen upgrades you can make. It's a simple yet effective solution for freeing up valuable counter space and creating a more streamlined cooking area. Whether you're dealing with a cramped kitchen or just want to optimize your workflow, this kit offers a practical and stylish way to elevate your culinary experience. Let's dive in and see what makes this kit a must-have for any modern kitchen. Number 5. AVF Universal Microwave Oven Brackets. These brackets are designed to fit most standard-size microwave ovens. They provide a secure and stable mounting solution, compatible with a wide range of models. The extendable arms adjust from 11.3 to 17.7 inches, accommodating different microwave depths. This allows you to customize the installation to perfectly fit your appliance. With a robust design, it can support up to 99 pounds of total weight. This ensures your microwave is held securely, providing peace of mind. Installation is easy on solid walls or wooden studs. All necessary fixings and fittings are included in the box, making setup straightforward. By lifting your microwave off the counter, it frees up valuable space in your kitchen. It also keeps hot appliances safely out of reach. It includes hook and loop adhesive pads to keep your microwave steady. This reduces movement or vibration during use, ensuring stability. What we like? This bracket offers a universal fit, making it compatible with a wide range of microwaves. Its adjustable arms allow for a custom installation, accommodating different microwave depths. If you're looking to maximize your countertop space and need a reliable, adjustable solution, you should consider this one. What people say. These brackets are working perfectly to hold it up off the counter. They are surprisingly strong and worked well for our microwave and air fryer. The extendable features make it really adaptable and versatile for many appliances. Number 4. AMI Parts Microwave Undercabinet Mounting Kit WX4A019. Are you looking to save counter space? This undercabinet mounting kit is the perfect solution. It allows you to mount your microwave, freeing up valuable kitchen space. This kit, part number WX4A019, is designed for easy installation. It includes all the necessary pieces for mounting your microwave securely under your cabinets. It replaces several part numbers, including PD00050917, 774279, and AP32052226. This makes it a versatile replacement option for various microwave models. This mounting kit fits several GE microwave models, such as JE740BK01, JM1040DM1BB, and DM200SF05. Please check the model list to ensure compatibility. This kit is designed for under wood or metal cabinets. It keeps your microwave in place and provides a clean, integrated look for your kitchen. The compact design allows for easy installation. It's a great way to maximize your kitchen space and keep your microwave conveniently accessible. What we like? This kit is specifically designed for undercabinet mounting, perfect for saving valuable counter space. It's a compact design, ideal for smaller kitchens or apartments. If you have limited counter space and need a discreet mounting solution, it's the perfect choice. What people say. Although the directions were a little lacking, everything is there for a quick, easy install. The kit and enclosed templates are for several microwave models with different spacings for the mounting holes. I will order this product again when needed. Number 3. PartsBroz W11025649 Microwave Mounting Plate. Is your microwave unstable? This mounting plate is the solution. It's designed to provide a secure and stable base for your appliance. This W11025649 is a direct replacement for several part numbers, ensuring a perfect fit. It's easy to install and will have your microwave up and running quickly. This mounting plate works with Maytag, KitchenAid, Amana, and Whirlpool microwaves. It's a dependable choice for your oven repair needs. If your microwave is loose, hard to align, or the plate shows wear, it's time for a replacement. This will ensure your microwave is securely installed. Made from durable, high-quality materials, this mounting plate offers strong support. It's built for long-lasting reliability, keeping your microwave secure. The W11025649 fits models like WMH31017FS0 and AMV2174VAW6. This makes it a dependable choice for a stable and sturdy microwave installation. What we like. This mounting plate is a direct replacement for several part numbers, ensuring a perfect fit. It's compatible with popular brands like Whirlpool and Maytag. If you're looking for a reliable replacement and need a sturdy, dependable solution, you should consider it. What people say. It fit the model number that was listed online and worked well. Use this item to mount over the stove microwave in my rental property. The microwave was an older Kenmore model and it worked perfectly. Really holds the microwave in place. Worth the money, good quality piece of metal. Number 2. Stainless steel microwave oven wall mount, silver. This wall mount is crafted from high-quality stainless steel. It's been meticulously polished for a bright and durable finish. This ensures it will last for years to come. The bracket is designed for maximum flexibility. You can adjust and fold it to save valuable space in your kitchen. This feature makes it ideal for any kitchen size. It features white plastic corners to keep the microwave stable. These corners are solid and durable, providing extra security. This design ensures your microwave stays safely in place. The wall mount is incredibly easy to install and use. You'll have it set up in no time. The simple design makes the installation process straightforward. This wall mount can hold up to 77 pounds or 35 kilograms. It's built to handle most microwaves with ease. You can trust it to securely support your appliance. What we like. Made of high-quality stainless steel, this bracket offers both durability and a sleek look. Its folding design allows for space saving when not in use. If you like a modern aesthetic and need a space-saving solution, you should consider this one. What people say. Once installed, they easily adjusted to fit my new microwave. It feels like the brackets can easily support the weight of the microwave and more. I needed more counter space, so I used this to mount the microwave on the wall. They were easy to install. My microwave is sturdy, and if I were to need another microwave, I'd buy another set of these. Number 1. Hovico 304 Stainless Steel Microwave Oven Rack. Tired of a cluttered kitchen? This rack is the perfect solution. It provides extra space above your microwave, keeping your countertop clear and organized. Designed to fit most microwave ovens, this rack is incredibly versatile. It's easy to install and adjust, making it a great addition to any kitchen. Need more flexibility? This rack can be folded and stretched to fit your needs. It's perfect for maximizing space and adapting to different microwave sizes. Made from high-quality 304 stainless steel, this rack is built to last. It's rust-resistant and can withstand the heat and weight of your microwave. It comes with 2 hooks for added convenience. Use them to hang oven mitts, pot holders, or other kitchen essentials, keeping everything within reach. What we like. This rack is made of 304 stainless steel, ensuring durability and a modern look. It's foldable, making it easy to store when not in use. If you like a simple design and need extra storage space, you should consider it. What people say. My microwave fit perfectly and is incredibly securely mounted to the wall, freeing up gobs of counter space. Seems well made, easy to install. It holds my heavy microwave, sturdy and strong. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.